Hello and welcome to Luscombe Motors walk around video Ford Transit Custom that we have. This one, believe it or not, was owned by our MD. He's an avid trials bike rider, so this is his toy really. He's treated himself and bought himself a new van, so we've got the pleasure of disposing of this one for him. Obviously, being a custom, it's got quite a few little bits and bobs on. This one's got front and back parking sensors, obviously the upgraded alloy wheels. It is actually a crew cab as well. So you've got two seats up front, which is a bit more room as well, both heated as well. Like I say, it's in beautiful metallic blue colour. As you can see, a tow bar as well, which I think he's only towed once on it, to be totally honest with you. It's only been a trailer. It's as you can see, it's very light use. It's all the interior there. It's got all the matting on it and it's ply lined out as well. So ready for work. It is a really nice thing. It's also got a power upgrade on this one as well, so it's got a bit more brake horse. So it's not your usual standard van. It is a really good looking thing. Power folding mirrors also on this one. It's got a DAB radio too. Typical Ford, which is a heated front screen, which is absolutely brilliant in this cold weather that we're having at the moment. But I hope you'll agree that it's a really good looking van. It's got all the security locks on it as well, as you can see there. Just open up that. Don't think these have ever been sat in, to be totally honest with you. But it'll make a good family car come stroke work vehicle. Take it inside there. We've serviced it for him as well, so it's all been serviced and so on. Multi-function steering wheel, as you can see. You got your cruise control this side, which is a must nowadays, what speed cameras. And also you got your Bluetooth there for answering your phone and so on. And then this one does your radio controls, and that does your onboard computer there. As you can see, it's done 37,456. It is an air conversion as well. Got the good Ford Connect system up there with the DAB radio, and obviously 6-speed manual. You'll notice all these little baggies around them as well. Basically, it's just to make sure that we know the car's been sanitised, or I should say the van's been sanitised. Very nice car. He has really looked after this one. And obviously there, you've got the power folding mirrors. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to arrange a test ride or a viewing, by all means just give us a shout. Thanks for watching.